Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Separate and beat egg whites, a bit of work, but will make your pancakes fluffy and soufflé-like. Add the egg yolks to the wet ingredients, and once it's combined with the dry ingredients, let it rest without the egg whites. Right before cooking, fold in the egg white peaks into the batter. It's like folding in clouds.
Let's help you make your mark.
Perk up boxed pancake mix by adding a dash of baking soda, lemon juice, vanilla and sugar. For maple flavor, add a small splash of maple syrup to the pancake batter. For a sweet and spicy touch, sprinkle some vanilla and cinnamon into the batter.
Take our lead.
The batter isn't just used for pancakes, and apparently, that's thanks to a secret ingredient, pancake batter. IHOP notes this right on their website, under a slew of other disclaimers for each of their omelets, as the statement, made with a splash of our famous buttermilk and wheat pancake batter.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chef Matthew Downs at Opus Restaurant in Manchester, England has created the most expensive pancake in the world for $1,300. The chef prepares pancake with Scottish native paradise lobster, Russian beluga caviar, whole verge truffles, Scottish mussels and langoustines.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.